chicken under a brick. These are called poultry shears. You push the little clip and you cut out the backbone. Once you flip it, put your two hands on top of the center of the breast and crack it. You loosen the skin between the thigh and the leg, and then from the other direction, the breast, okay? This is what's left of a few tablespoons of butter. I did about 4 or 5 tablespoons total. I've already used half. And this is mixed with the zest of that lemon, grated garlic, pieces of rosemary, and 2 stems of sage. You get your fingers underneath the skin of the chicken. And you spread the garlic, lemon, and red pepper. Then we're going to take the pieces of sage and arrange them under the breast as well, and then across the leg and thigh as well. Now we're going to take a little olive oil spray in a cast iron skillet, not over high heat, it's like medium. We're going to take the chicken and put it breast side down with all that delicious stuff under the skin. Crazy. We have foil covered bricks and they're going right on top. And we're going to cook this 12 to 15 minutes. The weight is what makes the first part of the cooking process here important. So you really do need bricks or something equivalent to bricks. Okay guys, so bricks come off. Oven is preheated to 425. And now look what's gonna happen. We take the spatchcock chicken. The skin is crispy as all get out. That's the point of the bricks. And then we shove in the lemons when we roast it. Now the oven's at 425. This isn't gonna take long. It depends on the size of the chicken that you buy. So I'm putting this in the middle of the oven, and as soon as it's 165, we're cool. To serve with this dish, this is 2 bunches of escarole and 1 can of beans. And in Tuscany, we always serve beans with a little bit of sage. So I'm gonna add a touch of sage. You don't have to add beans. I just did this for my mom. Just some wilted greens are terrific next to the chicken. So here's the white meat. Here's the dark meat. With underneath the skin, all the herbs and the garlic and the lemon zest and the butter, okay? And then here's the lemon we zested that we crushed on top of everything. And now we're going to turn what's left of this into a bit of sauce. Add a splash of wine. Let it reduce out just a hair. And then we add a touch of butter and another bit of lemon. Cut side up so that the pits don't fall in. And we let that reduce for a minute. There's our lemony chicken. And here's the dark pieces still left in the skillet.